the doghouse.
Here we go. It's been fun. It's been stressful. It's been a lot of work. Definitely been a lot of work. But we've had a lot of good experiences. Brought a lot of joy to our household just having the puppies around. You know, it's just me and my kids. So we do have potential buyers for Piper Jr., the little black girl, and the Merle girl. For all three of the female puppies that are available, we have a gentleman out of South Carolina that is interested in coming to get the black girl. This is her right here. Super cute, thick, playful, raised around kids, quality pup. We have a guy out of Louisiana. Him and his wife are supposed to come pick up this girl here. And Piper Jr. tomorrow. She's soaking wet. She loves to play in the water. So I'll drop this video just to kind of give a little update. But we do have potential buyers on all three. Fingers crossed, you know. I'd love to bless some households with these beautiful puppies and be able to bless my family as well from our hard work that we've put into them. Oreo, of course, isn't going anywhere. She is the for sure keeper. And we do have the chocolate boy, green eyes, has a slight brindle, this boy there. Pinto, he's going to be our keeper unless somebody comes with that right amount in the bag. If you know what if you're sniffing what I'm dropping. He will go for a little bit more than what I'm asking for the other ones. If not, if nobody wants to buy him, the plan is just to keep him and introduce some chocolate in our, you know, in our game plan. So, I mean, that's the plan with him. Oh, tug of war. This is Piper and Chunk's litter right here, all 5 of them. They are 11 weeks old. They'll be 12 weeks old on Tuesday. Today is Friday, March 1st, 2024. So these 3, 2 on top, have a guy, or the Merle and the black girl, we have a guy that's supposed to meet up with me tomorrow and buy both of these on the outside. Piper Jr., the fawn with the mask, and the brown fawn colored Merle. Then have a guy from South Carolina supposed to fly out and meet me at the airport for the little black girl. And yeah, let's hope everything goes well. Everything goes as planned. Everything goes safely. Safe travels. Safe transactions. They both sound like good people, like they're going to good homes. But yeah, that's just a little update of what we had going on. It's kind of been rainy over here in Texas, so I haven't had the pups out too much. Haven't had much to get on camera for y'all. But today's a beautiful day, perfect day, especially for these pups to be outside. Feels great, a little chilly, but it's feeling good. Oh, she got it. But these are the three that should be leaving the camp this weekend at some point. We'll see. They are beautiful puppies, man. I really want to keep all of them. To be honest with y'all, I really want to. Oh, get her! Oh, oh, dog fight! Oh, came back for the stick. Sticky got the blicky. Oh. Oh. Super playful, raised around kids. Of course, y'all see my kids on the other videos. Healthy, chunky, quality, colorful. Just a couple words that describe them, you know, in case you haven't seen our other videos. Just dewormed them yesterday and the day before, so that's been done every 2 weeks since they were born. It's my boy Pinto. Oh. I don't know which way the camera's going, but this is him. He looks like a little bean. He must have been in the pool too, because he is wet. Yeah, dogs stay exotic. Bullies. Yes, bullies and frenchies. Well, and they're bullies. But yeah, this is what we've been doing. Get out of there. Go. Go.
Hey.
Like and subscribe. Get out of there. Huh.
Mm-hmm.